a mirror and look at it. What do you see? You see yourself. Out of the deepest ocean, huge mountain, do you know which one is the most incredible and dearest to God's heart? It is you, more than anything else. God creates human beings soon after He creates trees, plants and animals. He takes mud and shapes it carefully into human form. Neither of the animals did God breathe His breath into their nostrils, as He did with man. Though there were trees and animals around Adam, he still felt lonely. God saw this. Therefore, God made Adam fall asleep and took a piece from his rib. When Adam got up and saw the woman, he was over the clouds. He felt so happy for her and called her Eve. Adam and Eve became the first family in the entire human history. The Holy Scripture states that God created you and me in His own image and likeness. Does it mean that God resembles human appearance? No. It means God has put His own Spirit into us, which helps us think, make choices, and love. Therefore, when you see each person, do not forget that God created him, and we are all supreme and dearest to God in His creation. Thank you.